Motor jack. So we're going to 206. 206 or 206, that's 28B. Norfolk's 128B. I don't know where Annalyn is. He just came over right by where I was standing at while I was listening to something. And this came by and Annalyn just left. Let me check. Because he took off. There you go. She took off. 28 feet going to Chicago, Illinois, 63rd Street Yard. Heading east to Buffalo, New York, where it terminates at the Fashion Yard. I had to get over to the real house because it's only getting dark. It's like almost 7:10. All on this Cinco de Mayo Day, Monday, May 5th, 2025, from Wible, the trains, and YouTube. So we'll check north to the OTSX. You're going to get a train meet. You never know. Norfolk Southern to come. Maybe we'll get a train meet. Look at the signal was red, so we probably may stay red until we clear another train comes. We may stop till we clear the block. Check. I see Alexa. I think that's Alexa's car. I'm wondering what it is. What it's worth. Gotta be CSX line. First thing clear. This is Alexa's house. It just takes about 3 miles. Alexa's house is on my land road. It's like 10 minutes. I'm gonna go check. CSX is coming. I'll let you know. Let's see. This way. Let's look at the signal. Red education. Signal's red. Signal red. Probably a train stop down there. Alright, it comes to the next video. Roll it.